Oceanogami actually started when I was working in Galapagos. I saw that there was a lot of connection of the people with the ocean, and there was a lot of respect for the nature there. And then I came back to Barcelona, and I realized that we were at the moment, we were still living in the, we say in Spanish, de espaldas al mar, in the back to the sea. So we were not really looking at the sea, at what we have here, actually. And I wanted to ask you, okay, we are quite biased audience because we are here because we care about the sea, but how many of you have been doing snorkeling, have done snorkeling in Barcelona? Can you raise the hand? Okay, wow. Okay, I was thinking it was going to be more, actually. so yeah, this raised my point, no? There is still, I know some people come from abroad, so they didn't have the chance, but if you have the chance these days, I encourage you, it's amazing weather at the moment, to do a snorkeling in Barcelona. I can recommend you where to go and with who to go. So then, that's why I founded Oceanogami, to engage the different stakeholders for the marine conservation. And particularly, I found that there was a need in the private sector. The private sector, even if the company doesn't have any relationship to the marine environment, they have to do, the employees can do something to protect the ocean. So we work with actually any company that wants to do something to protect the ocean. And we work with the employees. So we do also other things, but one of these projects with the companies is that we go actually here in Barcelona and also in different places in Europe, but particularly we focus a lot in Barcelona and with the collaboration of the Marine Science Institute of Barcelona as well. We go to see the impact that we are causing. So we think this is the team building activities that you were mentioning. So this is the way that the employees, they see the impact that we are causing. For example, with single-use plastics, that there are still a lot in the coast. We collect it with citizen science approach. So we share this with the scientists. And then if they see for the first hand, they see the impact, and they also go snorkeling to see the marine biodiversity that is in Barcelona. It's quite amazing, I recommend you. So this is a way to engage, no? And I think for any sector, for any person, people, no, in general, it's important to see it, to really care, to protect it. So this is a bit of the message that we want to give, no? So if you see it, you see why it's important to protect, then you see the impact that we are causing, and then you have to think about, okay, what I can do to protect, no? So then we can, for example, just giving a short example and I finish. So if you find us earbud in the beach, no? For example, you have to think, okay, how this came? So this came because somebody threw it in the toilet, then went to the river, and then went to the sea. So just an example, just to think, okay, maybe we can avoid it somehow, no? So this is a way that every one of us, and of course this has to be from all the sectors, not only the citizens, but this is a way to think, okay, how we can do something, even if it's little. So this is what we do with the companies.